after I finished unboxing my iPhone 13 Pro Max, I got a call from family and I have to head out to the beach tonight to go help them move some stuff tomorrow. I'm going to take that opportunity to bring my iPhone 13 and my iPhone 11 Pro Max to go film and give a first thoughts and comparisons on the cameras. I'm going to use the iPhone 11 as a reference point. I'm going to bring my Insta360 Go 2, which I'm filming on now, to keep everything discreet and small while we're on the beach. But we're going to have fun. I got a few hours of a drive ahead of me. I will see you all tomorrow. Now that we're down at the beach, we're going to show off the iPhone 11 Pro Max and the iPhone 13 Pro Max. We're going to take a few video samples so we can test the audio and quality exposed right now in the bright sunlight. We are filming on the ultra wides with the iPhone 11 Pro Max and the iPhone 13 Pro Max. We're going to be looking at the stability and the audio on both of these devices in a little comparison. So I'm right down on the waterfront of the ocean. Got a nice crosswind. You're currently listening to the iPhone 13 Pro Max. If I switch over to the iPhone 11 Pro Max, I'm expecting to hear a big difference in quality. I've had this phone now for 2 years, and I've gotten great footage with it, great audio, but over time, it's degraded a little bit just being everyday use. Now, if we look at the stability, how is it looking with the sensor shift on the iPhone 13 Pro Max comparative to the iPhone 11 with just its electronic stabilization? Now, the iPhone 11 I've gotten some amazing footage with, but I'm excited to get back and see how this iPhone 13 footage looks and sounds. Back up at the room now, I'm going to show off all the cameras side by side while I recap. The ultra-wide camera on the 13 has come a long way from the 11. The 11 had a flicker while trying to expose in the harsh light in the last clip, and the stability can't touch the 13. The wide camera is the best camera by far of the three, and now it seems Apple adds another degree of magnification to the telephoto lens each year. Over my next few videos, we'll dive deep into the iPhone 13, but let's all enjoy what we came here for, showing off what this phone can do.